To start, unzip the travel bag and take the Playard out. The mattress pad is wrapped around the frame. Unwrap it and set it aside along with the bassinet fabric. Stand the frame upright and pull both sides outward. The side will flip up and the rails will snap together in one motion. Now push down firmly in the center of the floor until you hear it click. Keep the mattress pad in one piece and lower it into the Playard. Push the mattress pad straps down through the slots at the bottom of the Playard. From outside the Playard, pull each strap through until it's taut. Then fasten the straps to the underside of the Playard to lock the mattress in place. If you want to use the bassinet, start by removing the mattress pad from the bottom of the Playard and setting it aside. Take the bassinet fabric and find the indentations on the side rails. Snap the clips onto the indentations all the way around. Then fold the bassinet fabric over the side rails to create a smooth rim. Now take your mattress pad and unzip it down the middle to separate it into two halves. You'll only need piece A for the bassinet. Place piece A of the mattress into the bassinet with the Velcro facing down. Now let's pack it up. If the bassinet is installed, start by lifting panel A out of the bassinet. Reattach it to panel B and set it aside. Then remove the bassinet fabric from the rails and unclip it all the way around to remove the bassinet completely. Once everything is cleared out, collapse the frame by pulling the center handle upward to start the fold. Keep pulling until the Playard folds onto itself. If the full mattress is installed on the bottom, start by unfastening all the straps from the underside of the Playard. Then lift the mattress pad out and set it aside. Collapse the frame in the same way by pulling the center handle upward to start the fold. Keep pulling until the Playard folds onto itself. Roll the bassinet fabric up and place it on top of the folded frame. Lay the mattress flat and place the frame and fabric on top. Wrap the mattress around the pieces and Velcro securely so it fits snugly. Place the wrapped Playard into the travel bag and zip it closed. Use the carry handles for easy transport.